Hi everybody, welcome to Vickyville. I wanted to share with you a fun subscription box that I have recently subscribed to. This is my actual second kit that I've received, and the first one was at Christmas and I really enjoyed it. I used it a lot in my December daily, which I'll be showing you soon. It's actually not really a daily, it's more of like a scrapbook, but I do want to finish that hopefully soon and then I will show you. But this is the EchoParkClub.com kit that I receive, and it's a lot of fun. Comes in that standard pizza box, and this is my second one, like I said, and this one is like a winter theme, which I don't really regularly scrapbook for winter because I live in Southern California and I don't ever like go to the snow or anything like that. But with that being said, I think I could still use it for, you know, I take pictures almost daily of everything that we're doing just to document, you know, for my family. So I can use this kit for those days that, you know, it's winter right now and I can use it for that. So I'm thinking I'll probably make a mini album and also maybe a few scrapbook pages of, you know, major things. Like the other day my mom made homemade scones and that was a lot of fun. So that would be a cute page to have to remember. And then I'll probably make some embellishments to send to somebody for Happy Meal. So pretty cool. So it comes with these two cards and they're just kind of like a discount code. So if you want it, it's bounce 10 for the EchoParkOutlet.com. That's the coupon code, but that's pretty cool. And then it has some kits available that they have. And then also it has this inspiration sheet. And so this line is going to be called Winter Market Inspiration. And it gives you all kinds of different ideas that you could use or you could make with this kit. And so that's pretty cool. And then a whole list of the actual items that you get, and yeah, pretty cool. So that's nice if you're struggling for like ideas. Okay, so I've already this is my second time trying to film this because my husband walked in and I was like, I'm filming. So I've already ripped it, but I'm gonna try to act surprised now. Just kidding, but that's okay. So here we go. Starting off, it comes with this really cute stamp set. And so it says warm winter wishes, warm, cozy, and bright. Thanks, stay cozy just for you. And today was perfect with some snowflakes. And that is super cute and versatile. I could see that being really cute with like embossing on it. That would be really nice for that. It also comes with this 6x6 paper pad, which I really do love the colors, like the blue and the mint and the navy blue and the denim blue. That is a lot of fun to use for your project, so that's pretty cool. You know me, I love me some ephemera, so I'm always happy when there's ephemera in the collection. Just makes it easy to do a layout or, you know, some Happy Meal. Just adds that little spark, so that's a lot of fun. There's also this chipboard accents, which that's also makes that book more chunky, or the page, you know, you could add this to add that nice, awesome dimension. So I love the chipboard accents, and it's so cute. And it says winter and let it snow and burr. I love the little mittens. That's cute. Okay, I do love enamel dots. So I love that they match the collection perfectly. The mint, the navy, the white, the denim, and then almost, you know, like that, what would that be, like a blue? Periwinkle almost. And then you get this paper kit, which I'll open up. It looks like you get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which I love because you could you know, dress up that mini album. That's always important to me. I always buy this when there's a collection. I always have to have the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So there's all of that, and that's a lot of fun. And then, oh, look at the paper, even looks more beautiful. Oh, and the texture, you could tell it's that nice quality paper. Oh yeah, this is nice. So there's like the coffee mugs, and then on this side there's snowmen and little foxes and bunnies and penguins, and they're all ice skating. And this is just the snowflakes and then kind of like a plaid. This is the mittens, the hat, the socks, and then I love this. You could fussy cut this and make like little, you know, tag embellishments. That's so cute. This is that navy paper, and then there's some trees. Here's some more snowflakes, and then I love these cut-aparts. Those are really nice to add to pages and all that. And this looks like it's like little mountains. Love that color, the mint. And then here's little skiers. I actually have old pictures that I could use that haven't been scrapbooked yet, so maybe I could use that for this, because we do have pictures in the snow skiing. And then here's more cut-aparts. I love that. Trying to go fast. Some more snowflakes, and then just some cute little snowmen with that navy blue background that I love. Just some nice background paper, and then more snowflakes. This looks like snow, and then some more cut-aparts. Super cute. And then the last page is kind of just like, you know, it'd be a nice background, and then that nice woodland paper. So yeah, this is pretty good. I'm at this point I'm really happy with this kit. I believe it is $29 a month, and it's been fun. So I'm thinking I'm loving it. I can't wait to see next month, because hopefully it's Valentine's, and you know I love me some Valentine's. Oh my goodness, I sat back and I was like, what? But okay, so you know I work for Scrapbook Expo, and there used to be a vendor on the show floor, and they sold these pillows. Now write down in the comments below if you have one of these pillows, because I just replaced the batteries today, and so when I sat back right now, I was like, oh my god, and, you know, I didn't want to act, but it's because the pillow hasn't worked for like ever, and I forgot that I put so it vibrates. So while you're scrapbooking, it's really nice. I can't remember what's the name of the vendor right now, but when we get back to shows, I'm sure we'll see them. And let me tell you, this is like my best friend. Even when it doesn't work, it's just a nice pillow for that small of your backs, you know, because you're crafting and you're sitting. And so, yeah, this is the bomb. But yeah, it totally vibrates. It's rad. So anyways, let me put that back. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you like this unboxing, and if you want to see more, then I will do that. I also am probably going to film a few more videos today. I actually have the day off today, so I'm going to be like jamming as much as I can, because I want to show you what I've been, it's not like it's recent, but not so recent, but it's like a couple of weeks stuff that I've been purchasing. So I do have a problem, but I don't have that bad of a problem, I promise. Okay, you guys, thank you. I love you, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember to keep it crafty. Vickyville loves you. Bye.